Good morning, Nick Grimshaw here, and I just wanted to show you how to create a new list in GetResponse. So just imagine that you have a new lead magnet and you want to create a list that is for that lead magnet. So everybody who signs up for that lead magnet will now go into that list. This is a big advantage to you because you can see who signed up for what lead magnet. So you know that all the people who signed up for your lead magnet about productivity are interested in that sort of thing, and then you can gauge your emails to go. You can create specific emails that go specifically to that list. This is all about building relationships because you can build a relationship with each of those lists, or if you want, you can do a broadcast email to all your lists. It doesn't matter how you want to do it, but it's really simple to do in GetResponse. You're in, this is the dashboard, and you just go to contacts and you want to create a list. So we're going to go to create a list. Pretty simple, eh? And then you have to put your name in, the name that identifies the list. And the your contacts will see that. So don't put anything weird in there. Use something that tells you what it is. So suppose you created a lead magnet for working single moms. Okay, so let's create an address for create this list. The one thing you have to remember in GetResponse is that it has to be completely unique, not just among your own lists, but it has to be unique for all of GetResponse. So, so let's try something because I don't know what's there, but I'm going to do create something. Okay, let's see if that, so it's help for working moms. So let's create that. And good, it's unique, and there it sits. Okay, so you've got your list created, and it's easy. If you look, I have lists created for all kinds of things. So it's easy to do. And at any time you want to edit, you just come over here where you see these three little dots, and you can go to settings. You can show contacts in there. You can show newsletters specifically for that, and your autoresponder. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your autoresponder for that specific list, because each list will have its own autoresponder. Okay, hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Dream big, live inspired.